So the rebuild has been going on. So we took obviously these two front piers down because they were coming away from the bay, which meant obviously the arches came out. So we've redone the arches in blocks, because we just like took them out, cleaned them up. So if they came out in like 3 or 4 bits, then we'd obviously put them back like that. So we only just like put joints on the ones that we lost the joints on. So I'm now going to do this one. So the arch is laying there. So all I'm going to do, same as what we did last time, is measure my intrados and my extrados into the gap that I've got here, and just see if I can squeeze them in. The first one I did, which was round here, went in pretty perfectly, to be honest, with all the joints. This one, for some reason, was very tight. So there was a slight adjustment made on the centre of that one. So I'm now going to measure out and see if I have to do the same on this one. So I've done it. So this is the height we said about that plate going on. So the plate will go on the inside 4.5, and then there's one course to go on the outside still. But we don't have any bricks for this now. So if Lee could get like 30 imperial bricks. When we asked for imperials last time, we got metric ones. So I've got a load of metric ones I've used in the back. But if you can make sure that he brings imperials next time, just so we get the joint size right. Not that it really matters, because it's all going to get painted. You're not really going to see any of it. It's all going to be at dark. But yeah, about 30 bricks to go on once Barry and George have finished the roof. So yeah, lovely old job.